What's up? It's your guy Naujoxx and welcome to my channel where I'm showing you the most unreal street style tips and tricks ever. I get this request quite a lot on Instagram and TikTok recently. Make a room tour, show us your closet and so on. And as I don't have a crazy walk-in closet, I decided to show you 5 things that you need in your closet. Let's get right into it. By far the most important tip that I can give you is that you should always have basic essential clothes in your closet. Basic tees and especially white or black t-shirts work with every style that you can imagine. Whether that's business, casual or street, those will always look great and very chill. Also, when you have some of your basic tees in oversized style, you can always layer jackets and hoodies just perfect. Depending on your style preference, you should own at least 1 pair of blue jeans. You do not need anything else but a blue jeans and a basic t-shirt to make an outfit look great. And also you could wear them with any color, so you can't really do anything wrong with that. I personally just do not like to combine a blue denim with a black t-shirt. I don't know what I dislike about this style, but somehow I always go with a black pants and a brighter top or bottom and not the other way around. It doesn't really matter what style you like the most, a suit pants should always be in your closet. Most of you might think that a suits pants will always bring a very serious vibe and a business casual look. But you can style them in a very basic and essential way and they will look just chill and nice. What you need to pay attention to though is that they are not too slim. Just if they are baggy, they are perfect for an everyday wear. What also should not be missing in your closet are white sneakers like Air Force Ones, for example. Pretty similar to the essential t-shirts, they go well with every style possible. So from suits to any street style, they can fit just perfect. What is very important here is that you do not need to buy Air Force Ones because they are very expensive, but there are so many alternatives. And if you want me to show you some cheaper alternatives, please comment down below to let me know so I can cover that in a video. The last thing that you absolutely need in your closet is a nice flannel. They can have such a great impact to your outfits because that flannel pattern always brings a very nice eye-catching detail to your very basic outfits. But you can check yourself. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching and I hope that I could give you a little inspiration on what you need in your closet. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up so I can do more of those in the future. Also, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more fashion and photography content. See you in the next videos. Over and... Depending on your style preference, you should at least or white sneakers like... Oh, Digga, was?